Hello everybody, it's Rhino and I am here today at the Disneyland Hotel to take you on a little bit of a room tour. Before we get started with that though, I just want to remind everybody that this and everything that we do here is brought to you by Dreams Unlimited Travel. They are experts at helping you plan the perfect Disney vacation, and when you book with them, it costs you nothing extra on your trip. So check them out, dreamsunlimitedtravel.com. And again, like I said, it costs you nothing extra on your trip when you book with them. You help support the channel, all the content that we produce, so we appreciate that very much. And without further ado, get out so I can take you on this room tour. Well, hello and welcome. Enter, please, to this Disneyland Hotel room. This is a king-size room. I believe it's just a standard room. We are in the Adventure Tower. It is actually, it's a concierge room. So that means we have access to the e-ticket lounge, which we haven't taken advantage of just yet. But let's take a look at the room, shall we? I think the first thing to note is the carpet. This is new. So I like the fireworks and then the Mickeys and, you know. I've only ever stayed in the Disneyland Resort once, and it did have a different carpet the last time I was in here. But it's got some fun artwork on the wall, too. Here is a car that I believe Walt Disney himself did rear end at one point in his life. This is a small child he seems to have taken by the hand to show off the leaves that have lost all of their foliage in the winter time, and teacups. So there we have it. You'll see behind this full-length mirror, we have I almost called it the boudoir, but this is the bathroom. The boudoir is over here. But what's interesting about this room is the sink and the vanity is all inside together with the toilet and the tub. But it does have a bathtub. We have our H2O products, which are definitely going in my suitcase. But it is a pretty decently sized vanity area, which is nice. But the weird thing is it's like only one person can really be getting ready at once. So that does put a little bit of a cramp in your style a little bit. But so if you take a look, what's interesting, because of that, I also feel like this room only really sleeps two people. When I made the reservation online, it looked like it had a bed, a couch or a sofa bed in here, but it's actually just a king-size bed, in this one in particular. So we have a king-size, pretty decently sized king-size bed. Is that a California king? I have to assume it's California.
I think king is just king.
Just king, period. One king, one crown, one ring to rule them all. So there is a chair, which is nice for sitting and thinking and reflecting upon the day. And it's actually a really, honestly, I'm not used to a room with just one bed in it. So it's a pretty decently sized room because there's a desk over here that actually has a plethora of USB and, what's really interesting here, USB-C. So like if you've got the iPhone, the newer iPhone that charges with the USB-C to lightning bolt, this is your friend. I almost was electrocuted. My finger almost went right in that one. And then 3 of those plugs there. And then as you can see on the over here, there's 2 more plugs there. And then on either side of the nightstand here, we have some lamps. I'm going to put my water bottle down right there. But what's fun here too, if you've never stayed in one of these rooms before, I've only stayed in one of these rooms once, but I know that this backboard does do something fun.
Yeah.
I don't know where the switch is for it.
It's over there. It's already on, but...
No, but it's supposed
to... Turn it off?
Here?
Yeah,
oh, I
the
see it right
Tinkerbell
here.
one.
It's actually got like a little fireworks symbol, so I'm going to push it. Turn it off. Now ready? Here we go. It's off now. So let's put it on, sit in our chair, and enjoy ourselves here for one moment. The sound is coming out of the light. Little kiss goodnight right there. What's interesting too, they're very serious about cleaning because they put this under the glass, which says that the thoroughly cleaned, like the procedures to like clean the room here, which is It's the first time I've seen it under the glass. It's usually just sitting out somewhere. But the night clock right here also has 2 USBs inside of it.
What's the pillow say?
The pillow says, I don't want to talk about it. The pillow says, a dream is a wish your heart makes when you're fast asleep. Because here is where you sleep.
Okay.
But have you looked at this gorgeous view out here?
Okay.
I'd like to draw your attention over here. You want me to shut all the lights off so you can see it better?
Well, hide me behind the curtains.
Okay, here you go.
Okay.
Ready? We're gonna cuddle you up like a little caterpillar. Get in your little cocoon. Good night, little caterpillar.
I mean, it's not perfect. I can still see some light.
Well, it's not a blackout curtain, so
It's close enough.
It is, but that is the Disneyland Hotel. I don't know what this building is right here that we're seeing to the top of, though.
Right down there is Trader Sam's and Tangaroa Terrace.
Oh my gosh, I didn't know the roof didn't really have
It is where we're going right after
didn't
this.
really have a roof on it, but
Yep. And the poo.
very nice, very pretty. Oh my God, look how tall that crane is out there.
So the cool thing is, even though it's very dark and we can't see because of the reflection, on really clear days you can see all the way to Knott's Berry Farm from this room.
Well, also of note here, there's a dresser. You have the Keurig coffee machine with the hotel condiments. Of course, you have the ice bucket, and in here you've got yourself a refrigerator. Oh my God! How did that? How wonderful! What a
Somebody
dream!
left us presents.
A dream is a wish your heart makes, and when your heart says "bear," it's in the refrigerator.
Yes.
So you have that. I'm just gonna go right ahead and.
Oh, okay. Comfy?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's pretty good.
Okay, give
actually.
us the pose now.
Is this the photo?
Hold on.
I have to look really miserable.
We got that one. Now this one.
It's like a Cheshire cat on.
But then this one too, because I want to get the... Oh, there it is. Perfect.
This is my tune.
This is where I live now.
This is my tune.
A dream is a wish. Okay. Rhino, what's going on under the bed?
Oh, that's a good point. What's interesting about the beds is they are raised higher off the ground because this is a good storage space for suitcases. Plenty of, I mean, you can get like, I don't know, you could probably get like,
Bunch.
yeah, I don't know, like 6,
Bunches.
8 suitcases under there. It's a lot.
Where else could you put them?
Well, there is a closet. Right here. Right up in here. Is there somebody hiding in here?
No.
Okay. This is where we got a safe in the wall too, which is very important. You can get a smaller laptop in there. Safes are always so weird in the hotel. See? We have our suitcases in here. I'll show you the other side. Perfect. This is where Craig will be sleeping this evening.
Well, thank you.
Thank you. You got your iron, extra pillow. There's a ironing board with little things in
Jackets
there.
and bags already in there.
It's nice and chilly here.
Okay.
I love it.
Rhino, final test. Did the Gideons leave a present?
Well, I don't know. I didn't open that drawer. Wait, do you think it's in the drawer or the dresser? Or wait,
Drawer.
nightstands or desk?
Right one.
Do you think so?
Yeah. Denied.
Jesus weeps tonight. Please cut that part out.
I will not.
Jesus weeps tonight!
The desk?
We have sinned here today. Well, thank you everybody for joining us on this room tour here. We are all here but a short time, but it's a pretty nice, honestly, again, for like a room that basically sleeps 2 people, I feel like it's pretty spacious. I look forward to sleeping on this bed. I'm exhausted, but thank you. I know it wasn't a very long room tour. There's not a lot to show, so I'll see you all later. If you enjoyed the video, I don't know, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course leave comments and we'll answer them to the best of our knowledge. But thank you everybody for your time, and I hope that you are doing well, and I hope that you're enjoying your next trip to Disneyland, because if you haven't planned it yet, you should, because it's pretty good.